Okay, lead the way. Give us a tour guide of your forest. That way. Let's go this way. That one looks scary. Look at this tree. It fell down. You can see all this.
Who steps on these? I don't know. A duck?
Maybe.
Bird?
Some sort of bird.
Who steps on these? Let's go. Mushroom.
You found a mushroom?
Yeah.
Cool.
Another mushroom died.
You want to eat it?
Yeah, no. I'm powered up. Eat. Very nice.
Like it?
Yeah.
The turtle or a snake?
That's a reptile. Reptile. See that gray snake?